What's up, folks? Thanks for joining the Eagle's Nest. So today's video is all about the Eagle Target Cam. Now this is a range camera that's capable of going out to 2,300 yards. Today's video is about the setup and operation, how to get this thing going. Stick around.
Impact.
Same spot.
Right below it.
So this target cam is specifically designed to help long-range shooters spot your impacts at long distance on paper or on steel. It works with Apple, Android, or PC, and it doesn't require internet access. It actually produces its own internet, so you can take it out to the middle of nowhere and enjoy the camera. So what you get in the kit is the Wi-Fi base station with a directional antenna attached to it, an RJ45 LAN cable, a USB battery pack, USB cable, and of course the camera unit with the antenna. Unlike other range cameras out in the market, which are bulky and easy to hit, this thing is no bigger than a typical iPhone. Setting up the camera is very easy. First, pick up yourself a tripod. You can easily get an affordable one at Walmart for around 20 bucks. The camera itself has a 1/4x20 thread, but this thing is specifically designed to have a QD mount. This allows the shooter to easily slip on the camera onto the tripod in lieu of the actual camera mount. Now position the tripod and camera within a 6-foot radius offset from line of fire, and aim the camera right at the target. Once you're satisfied with the position of the camera, ensure that the transmitter antenna is nice and tight and pointed straight up, as you can see here. Now at your firing point or firing position, carefully unfold the tripod. The Wi-Fi base station utilizes a directional panel antenna. That being said, the logo side of the antenna should be facing downrange, unobstructed, at the actual range camera. This will ensure a solid connectivity and max range capability. Use your best judgment and eagle eyes to make sure that the elevation and direction of the panel antenna is pointed directly at the camera as best as possible. There is about an 8-degree error that you can account for. Now with the battery pack, choose one of the two USB ports and plug in the micro USB cable that's provided. Then take the micro USB port and plug it into the Wi-Fi base station to power it on. A green LED will illuminate to indicate that there is power being provided to the Wi-Fi base station. At this point, we have to wait 1 minute and 10 seconds. While waiting, you can utilize this time to double check the alignment on the panel antenna on the Wi-Fi base station. As that time elapses, you'll notice a red LED light will illuminate to indicate that the Wi-Fi base station has connected to the Wi-Fi camera downrange. You may occasionally see this red LED blink when you connect your viewing device. Now to connect your viewing device, grab your phone or tablet and open up your Wi-Fi connection. You'll see an SSID being broadcast as Eagle Target Cam Station with some numbers. Go ahead and enter that and enter the password Target Cam, all lowercase. It'll connect, give it a second, let it do its thing. You'll notice a message pop up on your screen. On certain Apple or Android devices, this message may come up different. It may ask you to choose a different network or there's no internet provided. Choose the option that says to stay on the network or use as is. This message should only occur for the first time you're connecting your viewing device. If you have an Android compatible device, you can go ahead and download the Eagle Target Cam app from the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone or Windows phone, you can go ahead and skip this, and we'll go over the instructions in a little bit. For Android users, after connecting to the Wi-Fi base station, go ahead and load the Eagle Target Cam app. You will automatically start seeing the Target Cam stream. Now, go ahead and pinch the screen outwards to zoom in. The Android app has simplified features. On the top left, that is your reset connection. On the top right, that is your snapshot button that allows you to do a screenshot of your target. The middle button is for your blink feature, that is to review your shot from your previous impact. And on the bottom right, that is the gallery to view your snapshots. To use your blink feature, first initialize it by hitting the blink feature once. What this does is it actually takes a snapshot of your target before you take a shot. After you have it initialized, go ahead and take your first shot.
Impact.
Now to review your impact, go ahead and hit the blink feature again and you'll see it blink back and forth to see where your impact was. Once you're done reviewing, hit the X button to get out of the blink feature, and then you're ready to take your next shot. Now, I'll roll in some footage to show exactly how this works.
impact
Same spot.
right below it.
Oh yeah, same spot. Okay. So after every consecutive shot, hitting the blink feature will allow you to review the impact if there is one. Now, what this does, it compares the previous snapshot to the new one and blinks it back and forth to see if there's any change. This is especially helpful for those who shoot paper at long distance and you can't really see your impacts if it made it in the same hole. So for Apple users or Windows users, unfortunately we're still in the process of developing an app, but you can still easily connect to the actual Wi-Fi camera using your web browser. After connecting to the Wi-Fi base station, open up your web browser such as Safari or Internet Explorer, and in the web address type in the IP address 192.168.1.1 semicolon 81/stream. On touch-capable devices, you can pan around on the image or zoom in to see your impact better. Additionally, if your Android, Apple, or Windows-capable phone has NFC capability, you can easily tap it on the Wi-Fi base station, which will automatically bring up the web browser and type in the address. Well folks, that is a quick summary on the Eagle Target Cam, its setup and operation, and how to get it working. As a disclaimer for those looking to purchase the Eagle Target Cam, this Target Cam must utilize a little bit of experience on operating your own Wi-Fi device, meaning you must know how to connect, disconnect, and get into your Wi-Fi settings. So if you don't know how to do that on your own viewing device, well, this Target Cam isn't for you. Each one of our Target Cams takes roughly 3 to 5 business days to assemble and fully test. We test every single one of these modules out to 1 mile to ensure quality control. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these Target Cams, get yours today at dpgunworks.com. Thanks for watching.